Hi everyone, this is Chitra from the blog SwissHomeGarden.com. My blog is all about Swiss country living, food from scratch and our gardening adventures. In this video, I will take you through the process of making your own wild garlic pesto right from scratch. Wild garlic is native to Europe and they grow in abundance during spring. The best time for picking them is April. Once they start flowering, they lose their flavor and their pungent taste. I also like to throw them into fresh salads. So let's get started. Wash thoroughly 4 to 5 bunches of the leaves and dry them in a salad spinner. To it, add lightly toasted sunflower seeds, a couple of tablespoons. Fresh cloves of garlic, 4 to 5, 1.5 teaspoon of Himalaya pink salt, juice of half a lemon, and 250 milliliter of extra virgin olive oil. Mix them all in a food processor and blitz them for a couple of minutes. Once it's done, store them in sterilized glass jars. This pesto can be stored for up to a couple of weeks in the fridge. At our home, we like to use them on pastas, rice, and also as bread spreads. I will leave the recipe in the description box below. You can also visit for more such recipes at my blog SwissHomeGarden.com. I hope I've inspired you to make your own wild garlic pesto. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.